Hello guys, welcome to Tech Sunjay YouTube channel. Today you will know how to enable two-step verification option in WhatsApp. Okay, two-step verification of WhatsApp. Why for this? Why do we need two-step verification? Why it is important? So that's because it is important because if it increase our security. Okay, it increase our security by two steps. By using two steps, when you log in your account into the another WhatsApp account into the another phone, Android, another device, it is gives you two steps. First steps is OTP. One time password will be sent to your old account, mobile number, phone number, and another one is 6-digit pin will be needed for login. Okay, that's why it is important. Then let's begin. First of all, open our WhatsApp application, then click on more option, that is three dot option, and go to setting and click on account privacy security. Okay, then the third option, that is two-step verification, click on two-step verification option. Okay, then you will see for edit the security, enable two steps verification which will require a pin. Okay, when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again and next time. Okay, then click on enable button. For this setting, you will necessary that network connection. Okay, I will open our network connection, enable button, and enter the 6-digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will that confirm your pin. Same pin you will enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then give the email ID. That is option you will also escape, but my suggestion, you must give your email ID. Why? It will ensure that give you a chance to forget your pin. If you forget your pin, that you will recover your pin. Okay, I will give my email ID. Take okay, and click on next button. Confirm that email address. Take Sunjay. Okay, and click on save button. That is receiving is come, two-step verification is enabled. Okay, done. Then you will also disable this pin. If you will also change your pin. And third option is change email address. You can also change, disable your pin. Okay, you can also disable your pin. Thank you.